How to fix iPhone speakers not working issue. To solve this issue, the first step you need to do is make sure that your speaker is cleaned. Once you check that, launch your settings. There, you have to tap on sound and haptics and make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Once you check for that, go back to the settings homepage. There you will see accessibility option. Tap on it. From there, scroll down to the last. There you will see audio and visual option. Go through it. Once you go through the audio and visual, there you will see mono audio. Make sure that it is not drawn on. Once you check all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.